Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, we're just going to be discussing an expert advisor on the MetaTrader 4 Marketplace called LENA Scalp, and it's for MT4, developed by Sense JK Oizejuzisa based on the listing on MQL5. This expert advisor comes at a price point of 1,200 US dollars with 10 activations. The current version shown is 3.2 and it was last updated on the 27th of February 2025. All right, so taking a look at the developer's setup requirements, the recommended instrument is gold, which is XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame. All right, you can see them here under the recommendations with a minimum capital of $100 and the leverage starting at 1:100. The developer also specifies using a low spread broker and notes that while a VPS is preferred, it is not strictly mandatory. Okay, so now moving into the features section, the breakdown of the features, the developer highlights that LENA, I'm just going to call it LENA Scalp is built without traditional high risk recovery systems, meaning no martingale and no grid trading. So instead, it relies on dynamic order management utilizing OpenAI integration via API keys. Okay, according to the page, it supports several AI models, including GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4o Free, O1 Mini, and an optional Pro model. All right, now the core logic operates by issuing buy stop and sell stop orders, pending orders, checking trade validity every 10 seconds. If an order loses its validity during execution, the system is designed to close the position early at a minimal loss. Another crucial operational detail to keep in mind is that the developer explicitly notes that the AI-driven smart stop loss function does not operate during strategy tester backtests. All right. And manual intervention is required to delete initial pending orders upon setup so the EA can connect to the server. Okay, so now let us just quickly step over to the MT4 strategy tester to analyze our historical backtest report. So this backtest was conducted on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame using the every tick modeling over a period from late April 2026 to late July 2026. All right, and the modeling quality came in at around 79.5%. Okay. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the report to load, let's just get back to the terminal. So the initial deposit was $10,000 using a fixed lot size of 1.0. Taking a look at the performance summary, the historical test closed with a total net profit of $5,937. The profit factor came in at 5.95, generated from a gross profit of $7,137 against a gross loss of $1,200. Now, the absolute drawdown was $216, while the maximal equity drawdown reached $2,032 or 11.67%. Okay, and out of a total of 33 trades executed, 32 were profitable, giving a win rate of 96.97%. The long positions saw a 100% success rate. We can see 12 long positions, all of them were profitable, while the short positions won 95.24% across 21 trades. Okay, so the average profit trades stood at $223.03, while the single losing trade resulted in a loss of $1,200. Okay, so observing the graph, we will see that the balance was rising for a time. It was a steady rise, and then at some point it became sort of stagnant, right? We can see that it was initially rising until it got to a point where it started just, it became flat basically. Okay, so if you go through the trade logs, all right, I think I might be having an issue with my network, but this particular file, I actually downloaded the setup. Maybe I'm just going to do that again. I don't know why the file is not coming up. Okay, so I'm just going to download it afresh. Okay, so if you go through the trade logs, yeah, good to go. So if you go through the trade logs, you can be able to see how the EA manages order placements, right? The EA repeatedly sets paired buy stop and sell stop pending orders. We can see, right, at structured intervals. So if price movement does not immediately activate them, the pending orders are deleted and replaced. So when a trade is triggered and hits its target, it secures profit, as seen in the sequence of 26 consecutive winning trades, right? 26 consecutive winning trades. Okay, so however, because the AI validation feature is inactive in backtesting mode, when price moves against an open trade, it runs to the full defined stop loss of $1,200 rather than cutting it short. So to wrap up, the LENA Scalp offers an interesting combination of pending order scalping structure and external AI trade validation for XAUUSD on MT4. While the historical backtest demonstrates high trade accuracy and strong historical net gains, the reliance on a wide hard stop loss when AI features are inactive in backtest highlights the importance of risk management. As always, historical testing is only an initial benchmark and never guarantees future performance, which can vary significantly based on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, and optimization. I recommend running your own long-term backtests and thoroughly testing on a demo account before considering any live application. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.